Hello guys, today I show you Oppo F21 Pro mobile phone configuration. How is it? It is good or bad? So let's start. This is Oppo F21 Pro. It's released April 15, 2022. Android version 12. 128 GB stores and 8 GB RAM. 250 megapixel back camera, 4500 mAh Leo battery, network technology 3G 4G. It's weight only 175 gram. You can use their dual nano SIM. Display size 6.43 inch. Resolution 1080 24 2400 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Glass protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Android 12 version. Main camera triple camera of 64 megapixel and 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel 2 megapixel microscope, 2 megapixel depth with LED flash HDR. Selfie camera 32 megapixel. Loudspeaker OS, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC. No, here is no NFC available. uh, USB Type C 2.0. Sensors, fingerprint available under display. Optical. Battery Leopo 4500 mAh non-removable. This is fast charging phone and 33-watt charging. 100% charge within 16 minutes. You can a cosmic black and sunset orange color. There are two color available. There is the model CPH2363. Price about uh, almost €300. Looks the phone. It's looking very beautiful, especially back part. black color is looking very beautiful. I prefer you this one. I think it will be good.